This is a very, very beautiful fan, and it works awesome. This is the light. You can switch the light colors. You can select a speed. You got up to 6 in speed, and it blows a lot of air. It's really strong. The design is really slick. It's really nice. I really like it. It's really, really nice. And it has reverse rotation for the summer. See, now it's slowing down. And now it's going to start the counterclockwise rotation for summer. What that's going to do is going to cool down the ceiling. If you notice the air blowing, that's going to cool down the ceiling for the summer, and that reduces the that makes
सही है।